Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete wallpaper on iPhone. So here are two methods at which you can delete wallpaper on your iPhone. The first thing is just swipe down the notification board on your iPhone. Once you do that, then don't click on the empty space, then tap on. So after that, once you don't click on the empty space, let me do it again. Don't click on the empty space, then from there you can just navigate to any of the wallpaper of your choice. Then you can simply delete any one of them. So just gonna delete this particular wallpaper. So alright, okay, this I'm just gonna delete this. So for me to be able to delete this, just have to swipe up a little bit, then tap on the trash button at the bottom of the wallpaper. Tap on it, then delete wallpaper. You can see wallpaper is out. Then also, for me to be able to do delete it in the settings, just tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon on your phone. Then scroll down a little. Then under accessibility, there's another option called wallpaper. Tap on it. Then from here also, okay, not pretty sure if you can delete wallpaper from here. I really guess you can only set wallpaper. So let's try this. So that means we can't delete wallpaper from here. We can only customize wallpaper from here. So it's pretty sad. So I guess we only have one means at which we can delete wallpaper on iPhone. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.